Good morning, dear students. Myself, Mrs. Bhamre ma'am from SC Mission Junior College, Nandurbar. Students, we have started the lesson on Astrologer's Day and have finished near about 4 parts. You have seen the 4 parts of this lesson. Now, in the 5th part, this is the 5th part, 5th video in which I am going to finish this lesson. This is the last part of the lesson. In the 4th part, we have seen that there was a pact between astrologer, some kind of pact between astrologer and that other person, Guru Nayak. And when astrologer saw his face of that other person, that Guru Nayak, that is the second important part character of the story, when he saw his face in the match light, he became afraid of him and he tried to run away from the place, but he couldn't. That other person forced him to see his palm, to see his hand and see. After all, he accepted the challenge. Astrologer accepted the challenge and sat there and started telling him about his past events, whatever had happened in his life. He told him about the event where someone tried to kill that other person. The other person was surprised, shocked, because whatever astrologer was telling, that was correct. So he told him to say something more. So astrologer told about that event, about that accident, what had happened, what was reason, how that person tried to kill him, and also called that other person with his name as Guru Nayak, and the person was shocked, surprised. है ना? त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरने त्या व्यक्तीच्या पास्ट घटनांविषयी सगळं सांगितलं, की त्याच्या भूतकाळाविषयी सांगितलं. त्याच्या भूतकाळात त्याला कुणीतरी मारण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, कशा पद्धतीने मारण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, है ना, त्याला चाकूने मारून पुन्हा त्याला विहिरीत ढकलण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. एवढंच नाही तर त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरने त्याचं नाव देखील उच्चारलं, नाव देखील सांगितलं की युअर नेम इज गुरु नायक. ही कॉल हिम विथ हिज नेम अँड तो गुरु नायक, तो अदर पर्सन जो होता, तो सरप्राईज झाला, शॉक्ड झाला. हाऊ डू यू नो माय नेम, तुला माझं नाव कसं माहिती, हे ना. मग तो ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर त्याला सांगतो, ॲज आय नो ऑल अदर थिंग्स, इन द सेम वे आय नो युअर नेम ऑल्सो. बट ही टोल्ड हिम टू लिव्ह दॅट प्लेस ॲज अर्ली ॲज पॉसिबल. पण त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरने त्याला काय सांगितलं, की ती जी जागा आहे जिथे आज तो आहे, जितक्या लवकर शक्य असेल तितक्या लवकर ती जागा तिथून त्यांना निघून जायला सांगितलं. ही टोल्ड देम दॅट something danger, great danger will happen to your life if you go away from your home. काय सांगितलं त्याने, की तू तुझ्या घरापासून जर लांब गेलास पुन्हा असा, तर निश्चितच तुझ्या आयुष्यात अजून काहीतरी डेंजर होणार आहे. सो गो बॅक टू युअर होम ॲज अर्ली ॲज पॉसिबल. म्हणून काय म्हटला तो, की जितक्या लवकर शक्य असेल तितक्या लवकर तू तुझ्या घरी जाण्याचा प्रयत्न कर. अँड गेव हिम सम ॲश, सॅक्रेड ॲश, टू रब इट ऑन हिज फोरहेड. आणि त्याला काहीतरी ॲश दिली त्याने, ती पवित्र राख म्हणतात, आणि सांगितलं की रब इट ऑन युअर फोरहेड अँड गो. सो ही टोल्ड हिम never travel southward again. And and then only you will live to be 100 years. असं त्याने त्याला सांगितलंस की साऊथकडे तू पुन्हा ट्रॅव्हल करू नकोस. अँड सी what was the answer of that other person, that Guru Nanak. We will see the next part in this video now. So come to the page number 6 and see the paragraph. Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively, I was only going away now and then to look for him and to choke out his life if I met him. See, what did other person say? Why should I leave home again? मी पुन्हा घर का सोडू? See, the other said reflectively means seriously. I was only going away now and then to look for him. I was only wandering here and there away from the home just in search of that person who tried to kill me. The other person said, the Guru Nanak said, for what? To choke out his life if I met him. Why? I was wandering here and there. Why I was going away from the home? To search that person, to find out that person, and if possible to choke out his life if I met him. To choke out his life means what? To disturb his life, to try to kill him. See, he shook his head regretfully. But he shook his head regretfully. Regretfully means what? Repentantly. You know. And he has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. But what happened? He has escaped from my hands. I could not kill him. मी त्याला मारू नाही शकलो. तो माझ्या हातून निसटून गेला. I hope at least he died as he deserved. As in our last video I told you that astrologer told him that the person who tried to kill you is already dead. See, he died as he deserved. Who expects so? That Guru Nanak. He expected that at least he died as he deserved. Of course, Guru Nanak was in search of that killer, that person. But he did not get that person, and he expected that at least he died as he deserved. As he tried to kill me, he should be died in that manner only, as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. Astrologer म्हटलं काय की हो, की तोही तसाच मेलाय. He was crushed under a lorry. The astrologer told the Guru Nanak. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. Gratified means what here? Happy, pleased, satisfied. Oh, okay. He was crushed means he was dead by accident also. He was crushed under the lorry. Who told so? The astrologer told to Guru Nanak. See, told the Guru Nanak. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. So, after some time, what happened? The place was deserted. Means what? Everyone went back from that place. The astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. What did astrologer do? He picked up all his equipments, important equipments, which are very important for his business, and put them into his bag. The green shaft was also gone. Green shaft means what? That green light. That was also gone. Leaving the place in darkness and silence. Now the place is silent. The place is silent. There is darkness everywhere. आता place कशी आहे, जागा कशी आहे? If you imagine, the place was silent. There was darkness everywhere. Not a single person was there. The stranger had gone off into the night. The stranger means that other person, Guru Nanak. okay, that had gone off into the night. After giving the astrologer a handful of coins, as according to their pact, he gave handful of coins to astrologer. And see, it was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. So, when astrologer came back to his home, it was near about midnight. His wife was waiting for him at the door as he was very late today. His wife was also waiting for him at the door and also demanded an explanation for him for getting late. उशिरा होण्याचं कारण सुद्धा त्याच्या वाईफने त्याला विचारलं. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them." One man gave them all. See, he flung that coins at her, means his wife's hand, and told her to count them. One man gave all that coins. Only a single person gave me these coins, and he told her to count them. And she counted 12.5 annas. So how many rupees were there? 12.5 annas, she said, counting. She was overjoyed. She was very happy to see the enough money. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. And in her happy mood, she told the astrologer that I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. So she was ready. Her mind was ready to buy some jaggery and coconut on the next day. The child has been asking for sweets for so many days now. She also told the astrologer that the child has been asking for sweets for so many days now, and she will prepare some nice stuff for her daughter with that jaggery and coconut. So, the swine has cheated me. काय म्हटलं तो? ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर काय म्हटलं बघा. ॲस्ट्रोलॉजरची वाईफ खूप हॅप्पी आहे, खूप आनंदी आहे. कारण किती पैसे मिळाले तिला आज हातात? 12.5 आनाज तिला मिळालेले आहेत. अँड आजची एवढी कमाई बघून तिला इतका आनंद झालाय की ती अगदी आनंदाने म्हणतीये की मी उद्या काय खरेदी करेल याने? थोडं जॅगरी मीन्स काय असते? अनरिफाईंड शुगर, दॅट इज वी कॉल इट गुळ. याला आपण काय म्हणतो? गुळ. अँड कोकोनट, जेणेकरून त्यातनं काहीतरी स्वीट पदार्थ मी माझ्या मुलीसाठी बनवू शकते. सी, द स्वाइन हॅज चीटेड मी, ही प्रॉमिस्ड मी अ रुपी. यावर ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर काय म्हणतो बघा. द स्वाइन मीन्स व्हॉट? अ पिग. मीन्स काय करतो तो? त्याला एक वाईट शब्द बोलतो, शिवी देतो. हॅज चीटेड मी, शेवटी त्याने काय केली? माझ्यासोबत चीटिंग केली. ही प्रॉमिस्ड मी अ रुपी, तो मला किती पैसे देणार होता? अ रुपी. As there was a pact between these two people, said the astrologer. She looked up at him. When his wife looked up at astrologer, you looked worried. What is wrong? She asked. You looked worried. तू कसा दिसतोयस? Worried. What is wrong? Anything wrong with you? See. Nothing. See, what was the reply of an astrologer? Nothing. After dinner, sitting on the pool, he told her, "Do you know, a great load is gone from me today." पहा, जेव्हा ॲस्ट्रोलॉजरच्या वाईफने त्याला विचारलं, "एनिथिंग रॉंग? यू आर लुकिंग वरीड टुडे." What was his reply? He replied, "Nothing." So, after that he had finished his dinner, and as they were sitting on the pool, he told her, "Do you know, a great load is gone from me today." So there was a kind of burden on his mind. There was a kind of load on his mind that is gone from his mind today. And what was the load? I thought I had the blood of a man on my hands all these years. What did he think? He thought that he had the blood of a man on my hands on his hands all these years. Means, as I told you, that the astrologer was not original astrologer. He pretended to be an astrologer, or something had happened in his life that he had to do that business of an astrologer to fill the stomach of his family. And these words, हे जे वर्ड्स आहेत त्याचे, यातनं त्याची मिस्ट्री उलगडते. बघा तो काय म्हणतो की आय थॉट आय हॅड द ब्लड ऑफ अ मॅन ऑन हँड्स ऑल दीज इयर्स अँड दॅट वॉज द रिझन वाय आय रॅन अवे फ्रॉम होम, सेटल हिअर अँड मॅरीड यू, ही इज अ लाईफ. आता बघा, आपण जर लास्ट व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आठवला तर त्याचं आणि याचं कनेक्शन कसं आहे. या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरने, ॲज आय टोल्ड यू दॅट दिस इज नॉट द ओरिजिनल ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर, त्यात एवढंही त्याने सुरुवातीला सांगितलं आहे की जितकं त्याला स्वतःविषयी माहिती आहे, फ्युचरविषयी, तितकंच त्याला इतरांविषयी माहिती आहे. तरीही त्याने त्या त्या गुरुनायकच्या पास्टविषयी एवढं खरं खरं कसं सांगितलं. तर काय रिझन होतं बघा. जेव्हा तो गुरुनायकचा फेस त्याने पाहिला त्या मॅच लाईटमध्ये, ही ट्राईड टू गो अवे, तिथून त्याने निघून जाण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. का केला? कारण तो चेहरा त्याच्या ओळखीचा होता. आता ह्या वर्ड्समधून, ह्या लाईनमधून, ह्या पॅराग्राफमधून आपल्याला एक गोष्ट समजतीये की द पर्सन हू ट्राईड टू किल द गुरुनायक वॉज द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. कोण होता तो? ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर होता. जो व्यक्ती ज्याने त्या गुरुनायकला मारण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, तो पर्सन म्हणजे कोण होता? तो ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर होता. त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरचा चेहरा गुरुनायकला दिसला नाही अंधारात, पण त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरने गुरुनायकचा चेहरा बघितला हे ना त्या मॅच लाईटमध्ये. दॅट्स वाय ही ट्राय टू रन अवे फ्रॉम द प्लेस. म्हणून त्याने पळून जाण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. आणि दॅट इज द रिझन ही रॅन अवे फ्रॉम हिज व्हिलेज, फ्रॉम हिज नेटिव्ह प्लेस. तिथून तो पळून आला, हे त्यामागचं कारण. आणि त्याला असं वाटलं की माझ्याकडनं, माझ्या हातून त्या व्यक्तीचा खून झाला आहे. अँड हिअर ही वॉज लिव्हिंग इन दिस विलेज अँड डुईंग द बिझनेस ऑफ ॲन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. आणि तो आज त्याच्या वाईफला सांगतो की दॅट वॉज द रिझन वाय आय रॅन अवे फ्रॉम होम, सेटल हिअर अँड मॅरीड यू. बट आज जेव्हा त्याने त्या व्यक्तीला बघितलं, त्याच्या मनावरती असलेलं मोठं ओझं, कुणाच्या तरी खुणाचं, ते उतरलं. तो फ्री झाला. ही इज अ लाईव्ह. त्याने त्याच्या वाईफला सांगितलं. पण तो मेला का? नाही. ही इज अ लाईव्ह. शी गॅस्प. मीन्स वॉट? आपण म्हणतो ना सरप्रायझिंगली ब्रीदिंग करणं, उच्छ्वास टाकणं आश्चर्याने. यू ट्राय टू किल हिम. तिला सुद्धा विश्वास बसत नव्हता की हा व्यक्ती असा करू शकतो. मग बघा, व्हॉट वॉज द रिप्लाय ऑफ ॲन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर? येस, इन अवर विलेज वेन आय वॉज अ सिली यंगस्टर. कधीची घटना आहे? वेन बोथ वेअर सिली यंगस्टर, नॉट ओनली ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर बट दॅट गुरुनायक ऑल्सो. वी ड्रँक, आम्ही खूप सारं ड्रिंक केलं होतं. ड्रँक अँड गॅम्बल्ड, मीन्स वॉट? जुगार खेळलो. अँड क्वारल बॅडली वन डे. आणि एक दिवशी काय झालं? एके दिवशी मोठं भांडण झालं. वाय थिंक ऑफ इट नाव. आता का त्या गोष्टीचा विचार करायचा? वाय शुड आय थिंक ऑफ इट नाव? इफ दॅट पर्सन इज अ लाईव्ह, इफ आय एम अवे फ्रॉम माय विलेज, इफ आय एम डुईंग माय बिझनेस वेल, why should I think of it now? See, it's time to sleep, he told his wife. He did not discuss too much about that incident, about that event, past event. And he told his wife that it's time to sleep now, he said, yawning and stretched himself on the pole. Pole means what? A string cot. त्या कॉटवरती तो झोपला. सो दिस वॉज द स्टोरी ऑफ an astrologer. That day, see, when he saw the face of that person, Guru Nayak, in the match light, he remembered the day. And this day, today, है ना. आजचा दिवस ज्या दिवशी त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरच्या मनावरती असलेलं ओझं उतरलं, दॅट वॉज द स्पेशल डे. दॅट्स वाय द टायटल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज अन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर्स डे. है ना. आय होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड द स्टोरी व्हेरी वेल. मी असं वाटतं मला की तुम्हाला सर्वांना स्टोरी व्यवस्थित समजलीच असेल. We will learn the next story, next lesson with next video. So, stay home, stay safe.